Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with our 34th Technique Tuesday. So as we said last week, we are doing
flip-flaps.
Yes, we are doing all flip-flaps this month, so we're going to show you a bunch of different techniques that you've seen on our flip-flap demo, but we're going to show you how to put them together this month.
Awesome.
So we're going to get started with our 6x12s. So we're going to use 4 of our 6x12s, or you could use them 2 or 1, whatever, but we're going to show you a technique with 4 of them. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. So to start this technique, you're going to need 4 of the 6x12 flip-flaps.
Okay.
And what my mom has done is she has actually come along. If you've never used our page protectors before, you see that there's this extra 1/2-inch seam of our page protector.
Right, it's right here.
That's because when you put them in our books, especially our post-bound albums, it's to help keep the album from alligatoring when you close your book. And as you can see, that flip-flap is lined right up against that whole entire seam.
Right, and that's the first one that I'm going to place down. So the flip-flaps all have this adhesive strip here, and remember, this is the pocket, and you want to fold it over the pocket. So I have it folded already, and then I'm just going to take the adhesive, the strip that's on top of the adhesive.
And you can kind of see, we've talked about this in our videos before, there's this slight extra room here. That's actually a finger hold.
Right, so you don't get your fingerprints all over the adhesive.
And she's got ink on her finger.
Oh yes, well, we are crafters. Whoops. And we're talking, so I'm not looking. And I'm gonna put this right up against that line that April showed you. And I'm gonna place the flip-flap down. And I'm gonna open
And the
it
first time you do this, even if you do it after, you can see that, you know, we're doing it very slow and we're making sure that it is how we want it, because they are super, super sticky. You saw that it was on there a little bit, but she was able to pull it up and there's no residue, but just be aware that they are super sticky, so you're gonna wanna watch. And then look.
You have one flip. And now I'm going to put it on the other side. Same thing, I did the same thing. The pocket, folded it over. And now I'm just going to take this little strip off so I could uncover the adhesive.
So flip-flaps are made specifically for Close to My Heart page protectors. They are the exact same quality as our page protectors, and this one's going
exact same size. And this one's going straight on the right edge.
But that doesn't mean if you have creative memory page protectors or other page protectors that you cannot use them. You can use them, they're just might be slightly longer, and if you are okay with that, that's perfect. So they were made specifically for the Close to My Heart pages because they are slightly longer. But
And you see that they do overlap a little bit, but when you put your paper in here and stuff, you're not gonna, it's not gonna matter. They lay like that so that it opens up like a book.
So that's how you would do it if you just want to add 2 pages. You could add 1, a half a page, whatever you like. But we're going to show you another little fun thing.
Yes. We are now going to put the flip-flap, one flip-flap on the inside on the top and one flip-flap on the bottom seam.
So no matter what, if you want the outside flaps to be on the inside, you're still going to do it this way. You always want to put your outside flip-flaps on first.
Yes.
Always, always, always.
Right. And also, we are using a top-load page protector. We do have, and there are side-load page protectors out there. You just want to make sure that when you put it on your side-load page protector, that it's right where the opening is. You don't want to go over, because then you're not going to be able to put anything in your page protector.
So we're going to go up top now.
So again, I'm sorry to keep repeating myself. You're making a pocket, you're folding it over, you're taking off the protective strip that's over the adhesive. And whoops. And we're going to place this right at the edge on the top. And there we go. And we place that down. And we just make sure that the adhesive is down well on there.
And as you can see, once you fold this, it's still going to be perfect. There's no extra folds or anything. It's actually, it's lined up perfectly. So if you do like what we said, put it right on that seam on both sides. You're going to be perfect.
Yes.
And
now the bottom one. Again, fold it over the pocket.
Always make that pocket.
Always make that pocket. That is right. Whoops.
You're going to hear a lot of the same things repeated over the next few weeks with the flip-flaps. We just want it to get ingrained in your mind.
Yes. And now I'm going to, where did that seam go? There we go. And I'm going to the bottom seam now. So we just have that. I'm going to press it down.
This piece of,
Uh-oh.
it's erasing.
Oh, okay. And there you have it.
So as you can see, you have the whole thing. And just to show you, we're going to fold these on the inside.
Okay.
And fold this over. And see, it works both ways. All right, cool. And that is Technique Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And thanks to all of our new subscribers out there. We're glad you're along for the journey. And also, if you have any more questions about the specific 6x12 flip-flaps, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We are more than happy to answer any more questions or clarifications that you have, or if you have other page protectors and you want some more clarifications for that as well. And it is also May 1st.
Yes,
which
it
means
is. The new Seasonal Expressions 2 catalog is out.
So this just came out this morning. We are super excited about it. We have 4 brand new paper packs, which are super pretty. The first one is Beautiful Friendship. Then we've got a great one for all of you campers or outdoor lovers out there. It's called Fresh Air. Then
mountains.
Yes, mountains, love it. Then we also have Central Park, which is all for cities and stuff like that and adventures. You could use it for anything, really. And we also have Documented. So we've got a lot of really pretty new color patterns and stuff to work with. So those are good for everybody. We're super excited to show you our work on them and our new kit of the months, which are coming along with each of them. Our first one we are doing is Beautiful Friendship. So that will be up on our blog later on today. So we're super excited about that.
Yes, we are.
And we also would like to say thank you to everybody out there for following us, but you have also helped us get very, very close to earning our incentive trip this year. So we are only a few thousand points away from our incentive trip, so we're really, really close, and we're super excited.
Yes, we are.
So thank you to everybody out there for all of your love and support, and we're excited, so yay! So I think that's everything for now.
I think so.
Yeah. Get ready for
next week's flip-flaps. Yep.
We're excited.
Flip-flap Tuesday. Ooh.
It'll be flip-flap Friday probably, but whatever. Yeah, okay. See you next Tuesday.
Bye. Stomach break. Oh, see, if we move our head a certain way, it affects the. We're like, wee, wee. Ooh, side.
Hey everyone, this is
I'm back.
This next month we are focusing.
Flip-flap mania.
You're in the middle of our Technique Tuesday recording. Hey.
Now I look like I'm
1,
crying.
2, 3.
Oh, wait.
Smile. Good, stay there. And that was our flip flap.
Now you see me? No, you don't.